Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings on the application of Tinder. You will go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then this page you will search about the application of Tinder app and you will enter. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.